Hey guys, in this video I want to talk about the long US dollar Swiss franc position. Uh, in particular, I want to talk about reducing the trade, which is what I did on the 10th of July, which is around that point there. So I got out at I got out at 0.99149. So 0.99149. So I got out a bit of a position at around that level. So essentially I was thinking of taking a bit of profit off the table due to a weakening of momentum, which was reflected in the US dollar against other currencies. The candlestick that I was really dealing with at the time was an equilibrium one, and then a bearish candle shown there. So essentially the intermarket price action of a weakening US dollar against multiple currency markets and the technical pattern of a equilibrium candlestick led to me reducing my position in the trade. I did make a little bit of money around a 0.23 realized return on risk. I think my reaction to it was fairly neutral. It wasn't a large profit, and really I was just following my plan and using my process, which made sense to me at the time. And really my takeaway from it is that so far it does seem that my intuition in terms of analyzing price action and also my thoughts of a price movement being confirmed against multiple markets and analysis of technical patterns does seem to be fairly decent, but I'm going to need a larger sample size to kind of confirm that thesis of mine that my current process is reliable. Since then, you can see that the US dollar Swiss franc position has fallen further. I was initially thinking of getting out here. I decided to hold on because of the fact that I'm also carrying a gold against the Hong Kong dollar position, which is probably decorrelates the portfolio in terms of the two trades almost offset each other, since the US dollar Swiss franc position here is long the US dollar and the gold against the Hong Kong dollar is essentially a short the US dollar exposure. Now I'm not entirely sure that was the best way to think about it. Seeing that the price action wasn't great, and the idea of the initial thesis of the trade was that we were seeing a bit of a bounce. I think after seeing that candle, I probably should be getting out of this a little bit more of my US dollar against the Swiss franc position. Currently, the risk that I have on this trade is 0.85% around of the portfolio. So not a large position, but I think given the current price action of this currency, probably would be a good idea to get out of a bit more of it. So that's it for this video. Thank you for listening.